everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today I'm going to discuss about CIDR or someone people also call it CIDR, but I used to pronounce CIDR. That is a networking concept in AWS, but that is the most underrated topic. I think everyone is using CIDR, but really like very less people explained like how we can define CIDR, what is CIDR, how can we calculate CIDR, and so today we will discuss all this thing in a detailed way, and I will explain how can we calculate also. So without any further delay, let's start. So first is what is CIDR. Okay, what is CIDR range? What is CIDR stands for? So CIDR stands for Classless Inter-Domain Routing. Classless Inter-Domain Routing. So it is used to define IP address range. For example, if you can see 10.0.0.016. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. So insider also two type is there, IPv4 and IPv6, but as of now we are discussing about IPv4. Second is 192.168.1.024. So this is the example. Now CIDR allow flexible subnet sizing. Understand? Now 1 minute. CIDR we explained why CIDR is used. So this question is very important, and now we have to understand why CIDR is used. So it is used to reduce IP address wastage because when like you can reserve for example 2000 IP address range, but that you are not going to use. So whatever the range, like for example you need 10 IP addresses range, so you can reserve up to 15. Okay, within 15 I can use, so it will not waste, and it will provide flexible subnet sizes and efficient routing in cloud network, and it is mandatory in AWS VPC and Subnet. Okay, so now 1 second. Yeah, so now CIDR format. CIDR format is equal to IP address slash prefix. So that is only format. Example 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Now slash 24 means first 24 bits are in network bytes. Remaining bits are host bits. Okay. Now I will discuss all this thing and I will explain also, don't worry. How CIDR calculation work. 1 minute. So how it work? See, IPv4 address has 32 bit. Formula is 2 to ratio 32 CIDR. So example, if it will be 24, so it will be 2 to the power 8, 256 IPS, and AWS is a 5 IPS per subnet. Okay. I don't think you understand, but let me do one thing. Let me explain. Okay. So I'll do one thing. Okay. So for example, 1 minute, not this. I want to. Minute. Yeah, so leave it 1 minute. Okay, so one thing. is that, for example, if we have 10.0.1.0/24. Okay, so this is the only which we are discussing about. Now in this first one will take as 8 bit. Total 32 bit will be there. So this one will take as a 8 byte. Now second, this also take as a 8 byte. Okay, this also take as a 8 byte, and this also take as a 8 byte. Okay, so now if you'll do, so 8 8 8 8 8 8 plus 8, that is total 32 byte. Okay, so this is the total thing which we are going to do. Now how can we calculate? So this will be total 32, and this here we have given 24. Let me discuss one thing. If this number, this last number, if it is going to increase, means that our IP will get to decrease, and if this number will decrease, the IP range of IP address will be increased. For example, 32 bit. Now how to calculate that? How much? If this is if this is 32 or 24, means how many IP address we will get. So let me do one thing. What this is coming 32, okay, and here it is 24. So whatever it is coming here, whatever the number will be there here, like in the place of 24, so what you have to do, you have just to write 32 minus 24. How much number you will get? You will get 4 number. Now you just write 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 means 1 minute. Shit, I'm not able to write only in the keyboard. 1 second. If you know, okay, let me do like this only. 2 to the power 4 means how much it will be? 2 to the power 4 means 2 4 times, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How much it will be? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16. So here if this is 24, means you will get 16 IP addresses. Okay, in the same way, if we have written 10.0.1.0/16. okay, now what you have to do, you just have to minus 32 minus 16. okay, then how much you will get? 16 you will get. Now just write 2 in 2 to the power 16. So 2, it means 2 into 16 times. How much you will get? 1 second. 2 to the power 16. Okay. 2 to the power no, not square. Okay, leave it. To the power 16. Okay, so you just write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, leave it. You can calculate in your own way. I will show you. 2 2 2 2 2 power 16. What number you will get? See, 65,536. So this number you will get, means these many IP addresses you will get if you are writing your you are addressing your CIDR like this. So I hope you understand the calculation. You no need to do anything. You just have to minus whatever the number here it is with 32. Whatever the number you are getting, you just keep 2 to the power that number, and if you will do multiply and whatever the number it will come, that many IP addresses you can use for your services. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next page. Yeah, how CIDR calculation works. So this is only like that, but I have explained that you can prefer. AWS reserved IP address. So first IP address will be network address, second IP will be VPC router, and third for DNS, fourth for reserved, and last IP is broadcast address. Now CIDR calculated required IP address, choose appropriate CIDR and create VPC and CIDR divide. CIDR example also you can see. Okay. Now interview point of thing, like you always remember subnet cannot overlap, CIDR block cannot be changed later, and smallest subnet in AWS is 28, and CIDR is critical for network planning. So this is a very short video on how to what is CIDR and how can we calculate CIDR. If you understand, just comment in the comment box that you understand. If you didn't understand, that also you can comment, and I will try to explain in a more easier way. So thanks for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day.